So Chris, thank you for joining us. People who have interest in smart devices, they all are super excited with the new announcements that Qualcomm Snapdragon has made. So quickly walk us through what are the announcements that you guys have made and how is it better than what is already available in the market right now?
Right. So yeah, we announced the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5.
Mm-hmm.
So every year Qualcomm produces the chip that really defines the mobile industry in terms of capabilities, really sets the pace for technology.
Yeah.
So the new 8 Elite Gen 5 really represents that next big milestone.
Mm-hmm.
We also hinted at a part called the 8 Gen 5.
Okay.
Right, it's going to be a premium device, but a little bit more affordable.
Mm-hmm.
We also announced two new compute platforms.
Okay.
The X2 and then the X2 Elite Extreme. So that device, again, is going to be phenomenal, really going to lead the PC industry.
Okay. AI is not just a buzzword now. It has become a part of our lives. There are so many devices that have integrated AI in a much better way now. Considering that AI is going to become a part of our lives now, how is Snapdragon prepared for it, and what are the new features and what are the new things that you guys are doing to integrate AI in a much better fashion?
Okay, very good. Yeah, we have AI really across the whole chip, across the whole system.
Correct.
It's built into how we do camera, how we do modem technologies. It's built into the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
But we also have a big AI engine now that's available for application developers to build some of these experiences on. We have something called the low power sensing hub.
Yeah.
Right. What this does is it creates these low power, always on AI capabilities.
Yeah.
So, for example, I could have this capability on right now.
Yeah.
It could do a transcript of this conversation.
Yeah.
And then it can feed that to what's called an AI agent.
Mm-hmm.
That then I can ask questions. I can say, hey, did I do a good job in the interview earlier today? It can give me suggestions and coaching.
Yeah.
So we're going to see this personal AI where it really gets integrated into different applications, whole new sets of user experiences.
Okay, we're talking about AI. I am wearing AI glasses.
All right, very good.
Spatial computing is also becoming a mainstream now. Being getting to see a lot many new smart AI glasses that are coming into the market. What's your plan? Like Snapdragon, of course, you guys have a brain behind all these smart AI glasses. How do you see the industry changing and shaping up when it comes to the new consumer behavior, which is AI glasses now?
Absolutely. Yeah, we actually have the leading solution. Really, almost virtually every pair of AI smart glasses uses a Qualcomm solution. So we're proud of our position there.
Yeah.
But really, it's a great extension of what we can do. Because we have the phone now. But right now, my phone's in the pocket. Your phone's in your pocket.
Yeah.
Right? You have your glasses on. That camera is available. The audio is available.
Yeah.
So really, we can kind of extend these experiences that we build.
Yeah.
Maybe first for the smartphone, now to see the world around you, to hear the world around you.
Yeah.
So it's like giving this AI now extra senses and extra means of communicating back to you.
Yeah.
So it's going to transform, I think, how we use these devices and the type of user experiences we can build.
If I'm not wrong, besides US, I think India has the biggest engineering army of Qualcomm here, right? How do you see India is contributing to the next decade of AI, especially when a huge pool of talent coming from India, especially working for Qualcomm and Snapdragon? So what do you have to say on that?
We have a long history here in India, and India is just fundamental to really how we do what we do.
Yeah.
So the India team really tightly integrated into every aspect of what we do. So they're leaders in just about every product category and kind of software development and algorithm development, the team here. So fundamentally a strong part of what we do, what we're about at Qualcomm.
A lot many gaming devices are coming to the market.
Right.
In fact,
Right.
the gaming industry is booming, especially on the smart devices. We have seen a lot many events, awards, and competitions happening, especially in India. So considering that the gaming industry is booming like how, and most of those devices are being powered by Snapdragon, what do you have to say on the gaming category? How bullish you guys are, and how are you catering to that particular category?
Yeah, if there's one use case we think about the most, it is this use case, gaming. Because gamers are insatiable. If they can get one more frame per second, if they can get 10 more minutes of gameplay without charging the battery, that's what they want to do.
Yeah.
So this new platform, the 8 Elite Gen 5, for example, offers almost 2 hours more gameplay without charging the battery. We have special battery technologies we're working on. And then the gameplay itself, we're working on, we're introducing for the first time this feature called Adreno HPM, high performance memory.
Okay.
So this is integrated into the GPU. The games can use it directly to actually manage, as they're creating these different frames, they can use this memory to reduce power consumption, improve frame rate. Anyway, huge focus from Qualcomm on the gaming industry, and the gaming industry, we're proud to say, loves Snapdragon.